Today I will make one starter for making a sourdough. It is very simple. You need organic apple, organic sultanas and one peeler. Why I use organic apple? Because you have a lot of ferment inside. And I use dry sultanas because you have a lot of sugar inside. You cut a little bit of green. A little bit of sultanas, a very hot water, you mix together like this one, you see. After clean film the top like this one. Make a nice top. And you need to push this starter on the top of your oven for 5 days. This starter needs a very nice warm temperature for the rising. After 5 days, your starter is ready. Your juice is here, you see, nice color, nice juice. Your peel and your sultana are very big, you see, lot of juice inside. You need to take only the juice. I say only the juice, not the peel, not the sultanas. And you mix with the organic flour, like this one. Today I use 400 grams of juice and 400 grams of flour. You see, you mix all together like this one. You need a very liquid mother. Again, you waiting 3-4 days on your top of your oven, a nice warm area. Just clean your side like this one. And after you cover with a clean film on the top like this one. And you make a little hole with a knife like this one, because now you have a life in your sourdough. It's a mother, and this mother needs to breathe like a human people. And same, you push on your top of your oven. After 5 days, your sourdough is ready to use. You will see you have a nice bubble on the top, that's the fermentation. And if you want to use now, that's ready, but be careful, you need to keep a little bit of the mother for the refresh, because you need to refresh every day now. And now I will make a nice French sourdough baguette, and for this one you just need 500 grams of flour and 10 grams of salt and 5 grams of fresh yeast and 100 grams 50 of your mother dough. And for the last, you need 300 grams of cold water. You mix all together inside the bowl. Flour first, salt on the side, yeast on the side, like this one, your sourdough with the scraper, and finally the water. When your ingredients is all inside, use the hook and fix to the mixer, like this one. Don't forget the hook. Close properly, and first speed, 5 minutes slow, you need to wait, and after 6 minutes fast in second speed, number 2. And now see, it's like a chewing gum. That's wonderful. You see the elasticity of the dough. After the mixing time, the dough is ready, but you need to wait a little bit of resting time, 30 minutes. Put a little bit of flour on your table. Take your dough, like this one. Make a nice ball. And finally, cover with a cloth. After 30 minutes resting time, your dough is like this one. You will see you have a lot of gas inside. It's ready to dividing. Push a little bit of flour on the top if you want, and scale at 350. When you cut your bread, like this one, you cut like a band, and it's more simple after for scaling. And now, for the French bread, you need to pre-shape all the time. For pre-shape, that's very simple. You take the piece of dough, this is the top, and you pre-shape like this one, like a bloomer. And you leave it 5-10 minutes on the table. You see, I'll show you again, like this one. And don't forget to cover your product, because after the skin of the dough is destroyed by the wind. After 5-10 minutes resting time, you see your baguette are ready. It's relaxed now. Only one thing, no flour on your table. If you want a little bit on the top, you roll the baguette inside the flour. This is the top, you turn, and after you close very gentle, and you close only the side. You see, I don't press, I press only the side, I don't touch the bottom, the top. And after you roll very gently like this one. You see, it's very elastic, it's very simple, and you push your baguette on the tray. Now this is the final proving. Just need to wait 20 minutes, but you need to cover your baguette. 20 minutes, and after it's ready to bake. After 20 minutes proving, the baguette is ready to bake. You will see, wonderful. If you have one kitchen oven with a steam, that's perfect. If you don't have, egg wash, but with the water, it's a water wash. And after, today I will use this blade. You see, it's very curved. This is a French blade. If you don't have, use a normal knife, but very sharp. And when you cut your blade or your knife 60 degrees like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you want, one straight on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, every time my blade 45 degrees, and you see all the cut is the same size. And after it's ready to bake. One oven 245 degrees. And now 20 minutes baking, and it is possible to eat. After 20 minutes baking, your sourdough baguette are ready to pull out to the oven. When your baguette is very cold, it's possible to cut, but you need again waiting 5-10 minutes for the temperature to go down. And when you cut, you see the crust That's a French crust, and you see inside lot of oil.